Is there anything better than Nutella? We're in Italy, the country that invented Nutella, and we heard a lot of buzzing that there are brands that are even better than Nutella. Is that true? Yeah, better than Nutella. So let's find out if that's true. We are going to compare 5 different brands of hazelnut chocolate spread. Let's go. So the chocolate hazelnut spread has been invented in the 1940s by Pietro Ferrero, an Italian pastry maker. In the 1960s, it was renamed Nutella and rebranded and remarketed as a breakfast spread. And it has been a global phenomenon ever since. Millions of people eat it every day. And I went into the supermarket here and I found 5 brands. And we're going to review them and see if Nutella is the best one or not. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. And we're going to taste them all and tell you which one is our favorite. Of course, we're starting with Nutella.
That's of course the one we know, we have at home as well. But the other 4 we have never seen or even tried before.
But we asked around a little bit. We have Italian friends, we have Italian people on Instagram. We looked around on the internet. I went into the supermarket and these also were the ones that they sold, so I just got them all.
Yeah, I might know one, but not directly. Like maybe, we'll come to that.
We'll come to that. We'll come to that. I will tell you also which is the favorite of the person that helped me in the supermarket.
Oh, you got help.
Yeah, you wanted a spoon because you want to just dive
in.
in.
I want to just taste the pure flavor and then also on bread, but first the pure flavor.
We have a little toasted sweet bread or something.
Yeah.
But we're starting off with Nutella because we need to know.
I love to eat Nutella out of the jar.
I actually normally never do that.
I love it.
But we need to know a little bit like what is, as the flavor, as the taste palette, like as the starting point, what is Nutella, and then to compare the rest, right?
I know what Nutella is. It's amazing.
I'll just leave the jar open, so if we need to come back to the Nutella in between to say
I also love to put Nutella something like on crepes or something. Really nice.
On crepe?
Crepe.
Oh, crepe. Okay, I think we should start with the vegan one.
The jar looks very similar. This is the only vegan one in this row.
Yeah, 100% vegetable, and it's called Valsoia. Valsoia.
So it's with soya?
I don't know. It's also is as creamy.
It looks almost the same.
Creamy, yeah. Maybe we don't even need to try it on toast. We have the toast here, but it doesn't really do anything, right?
It's just as creamy as the Nutella. Also, the smells very similar.
Oh, now I'm gonna do my nose.
Ooh. Okay, the taste is very different. It's more chocolate, I would say.
I would say the opposite.
Really?
No, you're right. More chocolate.
That's definitely more chocolate.
But I am impressed, actually. Because the person in the shop said this was their least favorite.
Oh, really? But it's good that you have at least one vegan option as well.
I think the Nutella is sweeter. I like this one maybe more because for me it feels a little bit more grounded. Nutella is so sweet.
Oh yeah, that was the... Yeah, Nutella is not vegan because there's also some like the milk product in there as well.
And that goes for the other ones as well.
Yeah, so this is without.
I would have to say I like this one.
Yeah.
Better than Nutella already.
Really? No.
No?
I love Nutella.
Yeah, but Nutella is
I
so
also
sweet.
had like different other ones when my parents bought like something else than Nutella, and I always like, oh yeah, that's not Nutella, I don't like it that much.
Let me go back to the Nutella a little bit. You're just doing it so you can get an extra bite of Nutella.
Yeah, now I have to compare them.
Yeah, okay. Nutella is more.
No, I really love
it's more
Nutella
intense. Now you're right. But what I love in Nutella is better. It has more intense flavor. But what I love about the Valsoia,
this is really good,
one,
especially for a vegan one. This is a perfect alternative.
it is a little bit less sweet, and that's what I loved. And it felt a little bit more grounded or something. A little bit more pure-ish or something.
Pure-ish.
Let's go to this
next. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to say. We actually kind of know it.
Pan di stelle. Pan di stelle.
Yeah, because we had like gelato in Rome when we went to Rome like 3 years ago. And there they had, there was Gelateria Frigidarium. Maybe you can just put something in the video.
And check out the Rome video.
And they had like their house flavor, which is also called Frigidarium. And there was also with the cookies that are, I think, the same. Also with the little white stars on it. So Maybe we know the flavor. A
This
little.
one is a lot thicker.
Yeah,
It
it's
doesn't
thicker and
run
it's-
off the spoon.
And it's darker. Yeah, it doesn't run off.
And it's darker indeed.
Mmm. Oh, and there's a little crunch in there.
Mm-hmm.
So it's actually from the cookie. Oh, and this is really nice.
This one is much more chocolatey.
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
Mm.
Oh, I really love the flavor. Yeah, it reminds me a little bit of the ice cream indeed.
But to me, it is different because there's a little crunch in it, which I like.
Yeah.
But that to me
So it's
makes
too
it
different from
difficult.
Nutella.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's like as a standalone as something else. I would love to eat this
and
a lot.
and it's a little bit too chocolatey. I do need the hazelnut in it as well because that's what makes Nutella, right?
Oh, I actually really love it.
I like it as well. It's awesome.
I love it more also than this one.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I think
true.
it's really good.
It is. But
I
it
think
feels.
also one of like our Italian friends also she also recommended this as well.
This is our Italian friend's favorite.
We should also buy the cookies somewhere sometime if we can find them.
I love it, but it's a little bit. There's a little bit too much the chocolate. I need a little bit more hazelnut.
Wow. Yeah, that's the strong suit of Nutella. The very amazing hazelnut flavor. What is this?
This one is
It's biological or like organic.
and it's nocciolata. Nocciolata.
no.
Nocciolata. Sorry,
Nocciolata.
I'm butchering the Italian. Don't get me. Oh, this is also
Oh, it's
really
really
thick.
thick.
It's the same thickness,
And this doesn't
or maybe a little bit
and
more.
it doesn't glow that much. It's like really, really
Yeah, matte.
matte.
There's no gloss in
It was also really how do you say? Smooth or
It looks really
like,
smooth,
like a perfect surface. Like
Yeah.
it's almost like reflecting.
but if you compare it to the Nutella has a better look.
The smell is really, really hazelnutty.
Oh yeah, this one is the smell really. But look at if you compare like the
Yes.
madness, this of
This is
course
shiny,
Nutella looks
yeah.
so attractive because of the shininess. And this is okay. Let's go.
Ooh. Oh, this is really different.
Ooh.
But this is really like the emphasis is a lot on the hazelnut.
Oh, I
It's
like
almost
this.
like one of those hazelnut candies from Germany, like with the hazelnut cream in it. Oh, that's really good.
love this. This is for me like a new experience, or how do you say?
Yeah, it's really like a complete new
And it's so smooth. It feels even smoother because of
point of
know.
view or something.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, this is really good.
this is my number one so far. Definitely.
I think mine too.
Nocciolata
Yeah.
is my favorite. It's so smooth.
Wow.
It just adds another layer to the smoothness, and then it's more hazelnutty, so it feels a little bit more like a pureness or something.
Yeah, really nice. And the last one. It's the only one that is not in a glass jar. Oh, that's super dark.
This is the darkest.
And it's really...
Well, it's almost the same as the pane di stelle. Was
Yeah.
it pane di stelle? Pan di stelle, but
And it's also the least glowy or shiny. It almost has like something like particles in there or something.
no, this one is the least shiny.
Yeah, but this has
No,
like
nocciolata.
I don't know,
Yeah.
like little dots in there.
Oh, it's also very thick again,
It's super
just
thick.
like the previous two ones,
It's really thick.
and it's really dark. Oh, it's a really
Oh, I
intense
know.
flavor, but I can't.
But it's not. But it's not the same as this one that is like super
No, not
hazelnutty.
hazel, but it has an intense scent.
Is it like dark chocolate?
Uh-huh.
Oh, this is really different.
Oh.
It's also like a little like a sourness of dark chocolate.
Bitterness.
Yeah, but also sour.
Sour.
Yeah.
Oh, this is
Dark chocolate also has like a sourness to it.
This one is really intense. I love that.
Yeah, I don't like it that much.
I do.
I prefer it with like more like milk chocolate.
This is, by the way,
Oh yeah, 45%.
crema novi. Crema novi. And oh yeah, 45
I know what it means.
nocciolo. That means 45% nuts.
Tutti Italiani.
This is
Completely
crema
Italian.
novi.
Yeah.
This is the favorite by the person in the shop
Okay.
that helped me. I love this. I have
Can
to
he
say I love
help you
this
with
too.
the whole selection?
Yeah, and also of course the friends and the people on Instagram.
Yeah.
But
Well, that was nice. Yeah, he was like, he went into the shop, I just get some drinks, I'll be back in a minute. And I was like, my God, he is taking so much. And then he came back with 2 bags full of those hazelnut cream jars.
this is very special.
Yeah, but this is more your thing.
But is it my ultimate favorite?
Yeah. I think this is like my new favorite, but it's not like a substitute for Nutella. It's like
It's
really
the pandistelli?
something new, something distinct.
I'm going back to the Nutella for a little bit.
Yeah, and I would say this one for me is the best Nutella substitute because the hazelnut flavor is so intense.
Mm-hmm. I'm going back. Nutella is amazing. Don't get us wrong.
I got it so creamy.
But I have one of these two. I think these two will both end up higher than Nutella, I think. So this is the crème in novi. I think this will be, let me see this one again.
Yeah, I might even say that I like this even more than Nutella.
Oh.
I think this is my new favorite.
Yeah. I think
Probably we cannot buy that at home.
this is number one. Noccia latte. Noccia latte. Number one.
Wow.
This is my number two, the crème novi.
I never found anything that I would prefer over Nutella before.
And then comes Nutella.
yeah, because like at least in Germany, maybe in the Netherlands as well, they have also like Nutella copies from like cheaper brands, and I never liked them as much as Nutella, but now I found something I like even more.
Yeah, it's really
And I
special.
didn't expect that.
Because of it has more hazelnut flavor. It is so extremely smooth. It just does something when you have it in your mouth. It just gives you like I don't know.
You can really see all those like dots, like all
Chunks.
the chunks of cookie.
Let us know in the comment section if you are Italian and you've had all of these, which one is your favorite? Or if you're not Italian and you've been here or you've tasted one of those, let us know. What is your favorite? Would you stay true to Nutella or would you try one of these? What is your favorite? We are super big fans of the Noccia latte.
And Nutella is at least still my top 2 or top 3. Like, yeah.
Yeah, it's my
But
third.
it's not
number
my number
three.
1 anymore. Sorry, Nutella.
No, it is still amazing, and of course, because now that you eat it in a row, and then then you can taste the difference.
We had that so many times, and we can just buy it at home, of course. But yeah, my God, this is really amazing.
Of course, wherever you are, hazelnut spread with chocolate is amazing. So even if you have Nutella or if you have one other, it will be perfect, right? We didn't even need the toasts because you could just eat it like this. Is better. It's the purest, right?
Maybe you can try it, but yeah, I don't know.
So when you come to Italy, of course, you have to try one of these, right? Because it is the country of origin of the hazelnut chocolate spread. They invented it here. And that's why you should definitely have it, either in a croissant or just on a spoon. Yeah? Well, Tim is enjoying his new favorite. Thanks for watching. Check out our other Italian videos, or Italy food videos, because we have the best food in Genoa, the best food in Florence, the best food in Tuscany as a region. Bologna, we have so much. And of course, we have other cities that we went to. So, subscribe right now. Thanks for watching. And let us know what is the one that you are dying to try, or what is your favorite. Tim is speechless.
I was eating.
Oh, that's it.
Or no,
I thought you were speechless. It doesn't happen.
It's really good on bread as well.
It is really good. Okay, let's. Luckily, we can take these home.
Yes, we will take all of those jars back home for sure.
Bye.
Bye.